Welcome to 737 Canterbury Lane in Villanova in the wonderful Renfield community. I can't wait to show you this home. Step inside. This beautiful 3-story atrium foyer is light-filled and has beautiful spiral staircase from the basement all the way through the second floor. On the second floor, you're going to find 3 nicely appointed full-size bedrooms, also with beautiful lighting, recessed lights. The whole second floor has hardwood floors. The majority of this floor is all hardwood floors, with the exception of all the beautiful tile here that you can see. So let's take a look around. Let's go into the living room. So if you like to watch sports or big TVs and you just like to have something that's a little bit more custom than what you usually see, check this out behind me. This is a custom built-in piece for your TV. It's pretty neat. What else we have here is a 2-piece crown molding up top. You've got 8¼ inch crown molding. You have beautiful windows with half circles above that fill this room with light. You also have a really nice marble fireplace over here. So this marble fireplace was newly installed by the current owners. And as we take a look over here, this is the library. This library has custom built-ins on both sides. All adjustable shelving, so books, artwork, paintings, trophies, college diplomas. You can make everything fit whatever you need. It's great. Now let's take a look out back. So this is one of 3 ways to get to the very cozy, beautiful, intimate back patio. And before we get there, look at the size of these doors. These doors are almost floor to ceiling. You've got lots of light that comes through. In addition, you have 10-foot ceilings on this floor. So you've got a huge expanse, and the doorway as well. Doors are 8-foot doors, so you don't get that type of construction usually nowadays. Really nice features of this house. So let's take a look outside. This here is one of the current owner's favorite parts of the home. It's very intimate and cozy. They can entertain out here in the mornings. So the kitchen's on the corner over there, right? She sits and has her coffee, and sometimes she'll see a fox run by and all kinds of wildlife. There's chipmunks. It's just beautiful and cozy. Plenty of space to grill. We know that the previous owners actually had a TV set up here as well on this wall, so they could get together for movie night, have a little fire pit, entertain, just have a really, really nice space. All right, so as we go back in, we're going to see the rest of the main floor. So if you're looking for an awesome place to entertain your guests, check out this awesome formal dining room. Again, we've got 2-piece crown molding. Look at the doors, the light, the nature is wonderful. We've got hardwood floors, recessed lights, and check out this custom built-in piece of furniture. On this side here is a bar area with wine rack, and these shelves are on rollers, they come out. And same thing over here and there. We've got custom drawers. All right, now it's time to take a look at the kitchen. So this kitchen is nicely appointed with appliances. You've got a Sub-Zero refrigerator, Thermador double oven over there, cooktop, beautiful white cabinets, nice and modern, tons of countertop space. If you like to cook, lots of prep space, lots of serving area if you like to entertain. We have a little desk area here as well. Again, we have hardwood floors, but one other thing I'd like to have you notice is we're on a corner here in this Renfield community. Look at the nature outside. Look at the windows, look at the light. It's so much light, it's beautiful. And again, we can go right out back. If we want to go out to the back patio, here's our entrance. The house just opens up, light filled and very nice and private. So we're going to walk up this amazing staircase. So if you are looking to have a major family event, a wedding, a prom, just imagine the photos you could take on this staircase. Now that we're on the second floor, you can see we've got another nice little foyer area. And you can also see that it just continues to travel upstairs. And again, the light in this house is amazing. Look at how everything is sun-filled and bright and open. If you could see outside, you'd notice that it's actually kind of a dreary day and we have lots of beautiful light even on a day like today. So let's take a look at the master suite. Now that we're in the master suite, you're going to notice we've got beautiful hardwood floors, tall baseboards, recessed lights. We've got speakers in the ceiling for whole house audio. And we also have a little sitting room over here. Let's take a look at this. Beautiful. Windows and light, plenty of space to read a book, work on your laptop. Now we're going to take a look at the master bathroom. Now this master bathroom has tile and is beautiful. Let's take a look at the huge shower. So we've got a huge walk-in shower, all solid surface materials. If you take a look here, we've got a jacuzzi tub, soaking tub. We also have his and hers vanities with custom cabinetry and also a makeup area. And the commode area is actually a totally separate room for privacy and efficiency. If you're looking for an amazing closet, this house has it. Every single closet is custom in this house, but let's take a look at the master closet. I wish my closet was this big. It's beautiful. We've got separate sections for his and hers. We've got a laundry area. We've got locking cabinets. We've got full-length mirrors. We've got shoes, sweaters, lots of hanging, long hanging, short hanging, all kinds of stuff. We've got areas that the tie racks slide out. We have valet areas here that pull out, so when you're getting your suit ready or your shirts, you can put it there, or when you're coming in with that dry cleaning, you could just plop it right down there and then you can sort it as you wish. Again, more areas for shoes, shelving, drawers, cabinets. It's just an amazing closet. Every closet in this house has custom organizers. So we're going to take a look at the other side of the house here. When you're cleaning, we've got a central vacuum system throughout this house. So easy to maintain, easy to clean. Your cleaning people are going to love it. Let's take a look at this bedroom here. Large bedroom with hardwood floors, double closets with custom organizers, beautiful light, recessed light, ceiling fan. What more could you want? Hall bathroom with tub and tile surround. And as we go into the third bedroom up here, again, double closets, hardwood floors, recessed lights. So we're going to take a look at the third floor now. I love the light up there. Wait till you see it. So not many houses feature something like this. This is the third floor. Look at the beautiful millwork, the railings, the hardwood floors, but the views. So as we look outside, you can see the nature and it's just great. There's not a lot of views of other houses. This is one of the premier locations in this neighborhood on this corner property. Let's take a look at the Princess Suite. Welcome to the Princess Suite on the third floor. We have a full walk-in closet over here. We also have a full bathroom right here. So my favorite part of this house are these two skylights. This room feels so nice and open. It's perfect for entertaining, extra space for guests. This could be an artist studio, whatever you want to turn it into. It could be the fifth bedroom. So here we are at the top. This is the third floor of this house. You can see it's got a beautiful sweeping staircase, 3-story atrium. And if you don't want to take the stairs all the way down, if it's just too many stairs, that's just fine, because we have a 4-story elevator that goes all the way to the basement. So I'm going to go take a look at that and I'll meet you downstairs. I'll see you downstairs. Oh, hey guys, nice to see you again. Here we are. If the over 4,000 square feet of living space isn't enough upstairs, check out this space. It's half finished actually. We've got drywall, we've got baseboard, but the owners have just had this painted and cleaned up. It's really nice. It's great. And not to mention, if you did decide to do a full renovation down here and finish the rest of it, you've got a rough end over here for a full bathroom. So you're ready to rock and roll. Or you can use it for storage, because you can see we have lots of storage. So this basement could give you an extra 1,000 square feet or more of living space, depending on how you wanted to finish it. Or, if you're looking for a place just for the kids to roll around, throw some carpet down here real quickly, and it's pretty nicely finished. It's not bad. So thanks for joining me today on this tour. This house is amazing. Has some great features. The 3-story atrium is really amazing. The 4-story elevator, the outside, the windows, the light, the huge doors, the 10-foot ceilings, the beautiful crown molding, the hardwood floors. It just goes on and on and on. If you want to see this house in person, please feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching.